Hello, friends. Today we're going to begin the research for our animal reports. You may wonder what research means. Research means that you look for facts about certain topics. The topic we're going to research are our animals. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do to research your animal is to create a tree map like this one. Today we're going to talk about the appearance of our animals. You're going to write the word appearance up in the top corner. Appearance means what your animal looks like. Now I've chosen the giraffe, so I wrote giraffes across the top. And the verbs we're going to use are have, are, and can. So thinking about the appearance of a giraffe, giraffes have what in the way they look? Giraffes are what in the way they look, and giraffes can something in the way they look. So this is where we're going to put the facts that we discover about our animals. Again, mine is a giraffe, but you are going to put whatever your animal is up here on the top. Now, to do your research, you're going to need to log into our Google Classroom. Then go to the classwork page. And then come down here, get you in here, Animal Report Weeks, May 4th through the 8th. Come all the way down here to the extended resources. At the bottom, this says Animal Reports. Then you're going to click on this Gaten B. Hayes first grade link, and that will take you to a spreadsheet with all the links for where you can do your research. So over here, you will notice these are all the animals that you could pick from. And then your names, Miss Gatenby's class is here, Mrs. Hayes's class is here. And then these are epic books. You will notice you're going to need to use your class code to log in. So I put Gatenby's class code here, and I put Hayes's class code here. There's books, and there's a video there that you can watch. San Diego Zoo books. These are two books and pictures from San Diego Zoo, and this is National Geo Kids books. So these are links to pages that you can use to research your animal on the computer. Now my animal is a giraffe, so I went down the side, I found the giraffe, there's my name, and I'm going to read this book here and see what information that I can get about a giraffe from this book. Notice, when you hover on the link, another link will come up, and that's the one that you want to click on. And that will take you to the epic book about your animal. Now, if it comes at the end of your book, then you just need to click down here, bring it all the way back, and then you can start the book over. So here's a book about giraffes. All you have to do is click on the page, and it goes to your pages. Giraffes are tall mammals. Their necks are long, so are their legs. So remember, we're talking about appearance. We're looking for information about appearance. Does this tell us anything about the giraffe's appearance? It does. It tells us that giraffes have long necks. So we're just going to put long necks here. It also says that giraffes have long legs, so we can put long legs here. Then it said that giraffes are tall mammals. So here where we have giraffes are, we can put that they are tall. So we've already found 3 facts about giraffes on the first 2 pages of this book. Now click on the book again. And it says giraffes walk slowly and they run fast. A giraffe can run up to 35 miles per hour. Now that would be something that you would see. That would be about the giraffe's appearance. So you can write giraffes can run 35 miles per hour. Then we click on the page and let's see what else. Then it talks about their body. Giraffes have large eyes and ears. They have 2 short knobs on their heads. Their fur has brown spots. Tan or white lines separate the spots. Each giraffe has a different pattern. So does that tell you anything more about the giraffe? Well, it tells you that they have brown spots. So you could write here, giraffes have brown spots. Let's see what else. Giraffes live in Africa. They are found in dry, open areas. Some live in savannas. Others live in woodlands. So here's a map of where you can find giraffes, where they live. Food. Giraffes reach for food high in the trees. They eat leaves, they eat twigs and fruit. Is that anything about what they look like? It really isn't. So we'll skip this information and keep looking. Giraffes have long tongues. Their tongues are strong. The tongues can grab and hold objects. So you could write here, giraffes have long tongues. Giraffes have long tongues. We're still looking for what they are and what they can. The tongues can grab and hold objects. Then it talks about their life cycle. Giraffes live in herds. A baby giraffe is called a calf. Giraffes live on their own after 1 or 2 years. They can live up to 25 years. And that's the end of the book. So we still need some more information about are and can. We know giraffes have long necks. Giraffes have long legs. Giraffes have brown spots. And giraffes have long tongues. Giraffes are tall. Giraffes can run 35 miles per hour. We still need some more information. So what you can do is you go back here, find your animal, and click on something else to see if you can fill in the rest of these blanks. Now, Epic Books has a video you can look at. San Diego Zoo has some slides about the animals and story or some information. This may be a little harder and you may need your parents to read it to you and help you. Nat Geo Kids is also a little bit harder. It has some beautiful pictures of the animals. So you can visit any of these links. You can find the additional information that you need to fill in here about the appearance of your animal. So I'm going to leave it at that. I will continue researching for information about my giraffe's appearance, and you can get started looking for the information about your animal. Now remember, some of these articles can be a little long or they can have words that you may not understand. So be sure to ask your parents for help. Have fun exploring your animal, finding information about it, and I look forward to reading your tree maps. Bye, guys.